everyone and welcome back to Pehli Akshar Virtual Classroom. In this video, we are going on a tour of a garden. Our colleague Shilpa is a nature lover and she has developed a beautiful terrace garden where she has recycled plastic bottles, polythene bags and many more. We will also learn about how to recycle a plastic bottle into a beautiful planter. There are few surprises also. So, are you all excited to take a tour of her garden?
Hello children, I'm Shilpa. I'm from Nasik. You know, plastic has become a big problem in India nowadays and we cannot throw plastic. So what to do? Recycling. Recycling is a solution. We can recycle plastic in various ways. I have used plastic in various ways in my little garden. So let us take a tour of my terrace garden. Here you can see I have used plastic mugs and planted flowering plants over here. You can see this is an office plant I have planted in mug, and you can make the things decorative by using this. Here I have cut plastic bottles and hanged over here. You can see this is also kind of vegetable I have grown in this. You can make use of these plastic bottles like this. Here I have used milk bags to plant lemongrass. You can see. This is also planted in a very little soil. So you can use your milk bags or oil bags to plant vegetables.
So friends, today we are going to see how to make use of plastic bottles to grow vegetables at home. So I have plastic bottles over here. These are the chili seeds. This is all available in our home. So you can use these as seed to plant the vegetables. Okay, so we will see how we can plant in plastic bottle. This is a plastic bottle. First of all, remove the label from it. Be careful while cutting. You have to cut the bottle's upper part in rectangular shape and open the upper part. Please take help of your parents or adults at home because you have to cut it with cutter or knife. Then you have to make 3 holes at the bottom so the excess water can get drained from the bottle. You can see over here. Now this is a manure. You have to take manure and soil in same proportion. This is kitchen waste manure and soil, garden soil I am adding to the manure now. Now we will put this soil in the bottle. So I am putting here the mixture in the bottle. Put all mixture in the bottle. Yes. Now your vegetable bed is ready in the bottle. I'm going to plant coriander over here. These are the coriander seeds easily available in our home. You just have to crush the seeds first before planting. If you crush the seeds, you'll get better results. Germination of seeds takes 15 days. Now you have to spread the seed on this bed. See how I am spreading? You have to put little seeds and spread all over the bed. Put a thin layer of soil on the seeds. Just spread soil on the seeds. Make a thin layer, don't put too much soil, otherwise it won't grow. It won't germinate, it won't come out. Okay, now your bed is ready. Now you have to put little water. So your coriander plant is ready. Yes, in next 1 month you will get coriander at home. If you want to hang this bottle to the grill or a window, you just tie one string to the bottle at both sides, like I'm tying here. You have to tie it to both sides like this. Yes, now you can hang your bottle anywhere, wherever you want. So I'm hanging it to my grill. You can always take help of your parents. So now we will see how to make manure through kitchen waste. I have used here one old earthen pot. You can see here I have made many holes on this pot. If you don't have earthen pot, you can use plastic bucket also for this. I have collected all kitchen waste, vegetable waste which comes from kitchen, which we throw out. I have collected it in the pot. You can see this. I have collected few dry leaves in my terrace and I am putting these dry leaves in the pot now because the mixture is quite wet. If I put the leaves in this, it will not smell. So now I put the dry leaves in the pot. Now I will also add few onion peels in that. Adding onion peels will make the manure more nutritious. I am mixing it. You can see this. Remember, you need to keep little moisture in the pot. Now I am adding little soil in this, and in 3 months you will get your manure ready. So here I am going to show you something interesting. This is a sparrow house. I was having some waste flies in my house, so I have cut it in the square shapes and I have made this small sparrow house over here. I am going to color it and make it more decorative and attractive. Isn't it interesting? You can also try this.
I hope you all loved those pretty little birds and fruits and flowers, and also those kitchen waste can be of great help. Also, did you all see those little planters made out of plastic bottles? Would you like to make one for yourself? Make a planter and share the photo with us. Kids, we can grow many vegetables in our own house like fenugreek, curry leaves, coriander leaves, even chilies too. This is the best time to learn gardening. If you also have planted any vegetable, fruit, please share the photo with us on our WhatsApp group. That's all for this video, friends. See you in the next video with some exciting activities. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.